YouTube, back. I had some comments on my page regarding my YouTube sweet kumquat and why it possibly died. And a lot of the folks were saying that I should have upgraded the pot before now. And that's interesting. I've upgraded the pot 2 times since I've had this, but they may be right, so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this. See what the root structure was. Maybe not, because yeah, still a mystery how this died. I don't think it was because of that. A good way to tell is to see if the roots went to the bottom. I'm going to say no, that wasn't the reason why this died. Thanks for watching. Mystery continues.